How to make your manifestation come true and manifest anything you want. If only there was a bespoke guide on how to manifest anything you want. The thing is, there isn't. It may take practice and more practice to find a method that works for you. But that's the beauty of it. You get what you give, right? Let the universe see that you are indeed doing the work. You are manifesting your goals, you're visualizing, you're scripting, you're reading Create the Life You Want quotes to manifest anything you want. If you don't see results, work on further releasing any doubts you may have in mind. If you're at a place in your life that you're not happy with, know that you can always get to where you want to be. For a few other tips, try clearing out the clutter in your home to let new energy in. Be okay with detours, which might lead in the right direction. Repeat positive affirmations and know that everything will work out. And trust divine timing. Once you've manifested, let the universe work its magic.